How to change font size on Instagram. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Without further ado, let's get started. At first, I will show you my current font size on Instagram. Open Instagram app. As you can see, the font size is currently small. Now come back to the home screen. To change the font size, you cannot do it directly from Instagram itself. You will need to change the font size in your system settings. After that, Instagram automatically adapts to the font size set in your system settings. For that, open settings on your device, scroll down until you find the display option. Then tap on it, scroll down to the bottom. Over here, you will see the font section. Tap on text size. From here, you can increase or decrease the font size. If you want to increase the font size, select the dots available on the right. If you want to decrease the font size, select the dots available on the left. Choose based on your preference. I prefer a larger font, so I will select the very right dot, which is XXL. But please keep in mind that this setting is a device setting, so it applies to your entire device, not just Instagram. Once you have selected your preferred font size, come back to the home screen, open Instagram app on your device, and boom! You have successfully changed the font size on Instagram. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.